Namaste friends, I'm Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I'm here with pattern 49, which is worked with Hobby Store Special DK yarn named Spice with color code 1711. This stitch, also known as a star stitch, requires multiples of 2 chains or 2 stitches. This will work fine. And if you're working on other stitches, you start in a little different way. Otherwise, beginning 6 chains are used for making the first star. So since I already have the stitches made here, I have my 34 DCs. On this I'm going to make the star stitches, and in the blanket you have 302 DCs, so you'll be making it over it. So to begin with, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a stacked single crochet, 2 of them. One and one is stacked over it, and now I have one loop on my hook. So I insert in the inside loop of this first, that is the last worked SC, and yarn over, pull through once. I have 2 loops on the hook. Now again I insert my hook in the loop that is just below the one I inserted, pull out, 3 loops on the hook. Now you have to insert the hook in the bottom of the stitch where we made the first single crochet. Now we have 4 loops on the hook, and then we are going to consider the next 2. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, 5 loops on the hook, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, 6 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all of them, and then chain 1. So half star is made. Once we complete the next row, the star will be completed. From here onwards, we have 1 loop on the hook. The next loop we are going to insert in the eye of the half completed star and pull out a loop, and then we have a loop that is made last here. So inside that we are going to insert the hook, pick up the yarn and pull out. We have 3 loops on the hook, and then we insert the hook in the stitch that we considered last, from which the stitch is coming last, that is down below. Now we have 4 loops on the hook, and then we insert each in the next 2 and pick up loops 1 and 2. So now we'll have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 6 and chain 1. So when you chain 1, an eyelet is formed. The eye of the star is formed here. Again insert in the eye 1 loop, then in the of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops, the last loop here, inside that and pull out a loop. So we have 3 loops on the hook, and then insert a hook in the stitch below, from which the last of the loops is made for the star. 4 loops on the hook, and then 1 loop from each of the next 2, 1 and 2. So you should ideally have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 6 loops, chain 1. So continue this till the end. I shall meet you at the end. We've come to the end of the row here. I am left with 1 stitch there where I am going to place my half double crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, half double crochet in the very first stitch, then 2 half double crochets in each of the eyelets, 1, 2, 3, like that, in each of the eyelets of the star that we made, a half star that we made in the last row. So 2 double crochets in each of them, 1, 2, again 2 in the next eyelet. In this row we are working the half double crochets in the eyelets and in the last 2 stitches. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. Place 2 double crochets in every eyelet here in the center here. come to the end of the row here. I have made my last 2 double crochets in the last eyelet, and now I need to make 1 double crochet in the last stitch here. Minute. Turn your work. So 1 row of star stitches made. If you want, you can stop at this or make 1 more row of star stitches. Let us make 1 more row of star stitches. Again, we begin with the same way. Single crochet in the first stitch and stack 1 single crochet in the on top of it. Now we have 1 loop on the hook. Insert your hook here, pull out a loop, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 6 and chain 1. So the first eyelet is made. So one more time. Now insert 1 loop on the hook, insert in the eyelet 1, and in this last loop here which is standing 3, and in the base 4, next 5 and the next 6. So 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 6, chain 1. So continue till the end, the same pattern. I shall meet you at the end. I've come to the end of the row here, and I'm placing my last half double crochet here after the incomplete starts. And the next row is same as row 2 of half double crochets. Make the first half double crochet in the first stitch. And then 2 half double crochets in each of the eyelets. You will not work in these loops, only in the eyelets you will work. The chain 1 eyelet that we made, in that only you have to place 2 double crochets each till the end, and in the last one 1 double crochet. Complete till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I've come to the end of the row, and I'm going to place my last half double crochet. You're not supposed to place here, but there is a V in the side. Insert your hook there, pull out a loop, and your half double crochet is done, the last one. So this is how it will look. It's a beautiful stitch, one of the prettiest stitches, crochet stitches, star stitches. Sometimes it is called by Margaret also, and there is another variation in this which is called as thick Margaret. Okay, the next row is going to be double crochet rows to get ready for the next pattern. With this we end the pattern. I shall post the picture with the double crochets done at the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall meet you with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.